Roll-off dumpster rental service in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Need dependable roll-off dumpster rental services in Council Bluffs, Iowa? RMS Dumpsters has you covered for all your waste management solutions. Whether you're working on a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we offer a wide variety of dumpster sizes to handle any job. At RMS Dumpsters, we provide fast, affordable, and efficient dumpster rentals to make your project easier. Our roll-off dumpsters come in multiple sizes, from 10 to 40 yards, ensuring you get the right size for your needs. Our team delivers the dumpster directly to your location and will pick it up once it's full, saving you time and hassle. We take pride in offering exceptional customer service and ensuring your dumpster rental experience is as smooth as possible. Our commitment to reliable service means you can count on us to arrive on time, every time. We also offer flexible rental periods, so you can keep the dumpster for as long as you need. Ready to get started? Call RMS Dumpsters today at 402-510-7016 to discuss your project and find the perfect dumpster for your needs. Whether you're in Council Bluffs or the surrounding area, we're here to provide the best dumpster rental service in town.